Hi, very good evening, students. Welcome to video classes. I hope you all are fine. All of you stay home, stay safe, learn well. Okay, so students, we are in the chapter safety and first aid, right? Okay, so in previous classes, we have learnt about accidents, how accidents happen, right? And safety on the road, and some traffic signals that we should follow on the road, right? Okay, so accidents are unfortunate events that may harm us physically or financially. They usually happen because of carelessness and ignoring safety rules. Okay, so even a slight carelessness can lead to an accident. Accidents may happen everywhere, anywhere, right? Okay, so in house, on the road, in the school, or in the playground, it is always wise to be careful than be sorry. So there are some certain safety rules that we should follow to stay safe at various places, right? Okay, accidents causes harm or even loss of life and property, so we need to be cautious and observe certain safety measures to prevent these accidents. Students, today in this class I am going to teach you safety from fire. Okay, so fire can be dangerous, right? If not handled properly, it can result in destruction of property, burns or loss of life also, right? Okay, so because of that, we have to observe the following fire safety rules that can be keep you safe from fire. Okay, so now let us learn some safety rules that we follow in case of fire. Okay, so here first, don't play with matches, lighters, candles, and do not place lighted candles near things that might catch fire, right? Okay, so if in case we play with these matchbox and matchsticks, there may be chance of firing. Because of that, do not play with matches and matchbox, lighters, candles. Okay, and do not place lighted candles near the things that might catch fire. For example, if you place what sanitizer near the candle, there may be chances of catching fire. Sanitizer is made from alcohol. Alcohol catches fire easily. Because of that, do not place lighted candles near things that might catch fire. Okay. And next, do not wear synthetic cloths when you are in near fire or working in kitchen. Okay, so these synthetic cloths are made from chemicals. Okay, so because of that, these synthetic cloths catch fire easily. So when we are working in kitchen, we should wear cotton cloths. Cotton cloths do not catch fire easily. Okay, and next, in the kitchen, turn off the gas knob or the gas supply when not in use. Okay, so gas leaks can cause major fires in our kitchens. If you suspect a gas leak, do not switch on any electrical devices or strike a match or matchbox. So open all the windows and doors of the house and call for help. So disconnect and switch off the gas cylinder in case of leakage of gas. Okay, and open the windows to let the gas out and do not light any fire at such times. Okay. In case of electrical fire, immediately put off the main switch and never throw water to put out an electrical fire, as that can cause electrocution. Okay, so electrocution means severe injury or death caused by electric shock. Okay, so because of that, never throw water to put out an electrical fire. Okay, instead of that, use a fire extinguisher or throw sand to put out the fire. Students, it was earlier thought that if a person clothes have caught fire, do not pour water on him. Okay, so instead cover the person with a blanket and roll him on the floor. Okay, so that way the fire will die out. Okay, so but this is not true. By pouring water, fire is put off and burns also prevented from going deeper. Okay,